To begin with, I will introduce you to the absolute minimum kit for beginners. It will be enough for you to start your adventure with watercolor and not expose yourself to much cost. You will need a table or desk, a board or thicker cardboard with a size of 45 to 35 centimeters, paper or watercolor block of A3 size, and at least 250 grams per square meter, lightly textured, cold press or rough. 3 basic brushes, one medium brush of artificial bristle with pointed circular tip, the other a large round brush with pointed tip of natural or artificial bristles, one medium-sized brush with artificial or natural bristles. 12 colors of watercolor paint ideally in a tube: permanent rose, cadmium red, deep sepia, burnt sienna, rose sienna, lemon yellow, spring green, viridian green, cerulean blue, cobalt blue, Persian blue, dioxazine purple. A palette for mixing paints, paper towel or disposable tissue, 2 water containers, paper painter's tape, pencils 2H, HB, B2, eraser and sharpener, water sprayer,